What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your headphones are connected to your Windows PC but there's no sound output. First, make sure your headphones are properly connected to your computer. If you're using wired headphones, check the headphone jack or USB port and ensure the connection is secure. If possible, try plugging them into a different port to rule out any physical issues. If you are using wireless headphones, double check that they are paired correctly with your PC. Next, check your volume settings. At the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the sound icon in the taskbar and increase the volume. Also, some headphones have their own built-in volume controls like a dial or button. Make sure the headphone volume isn't set to 0. If you're still not hearing anything, try testing your headphones on another device such as a phone or a different computer. If they work fine elsewhere, the problem is likely with your PC settings. To check your PC's sound settings, right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Alternatively, you can open Settings, go to System, and select Sound. Under the Choose Where to Play Sound section, check if your headphones are listed. If they are listed but not selected, click on them to make them the active output device. If you're using wireless headphones and they aren't showing up, scroll down to add a device and pair them again. If the issue persists, it's possible that your headphones may require an updated driver. Search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. In the Device Manager window, look for audio inputs and outputs. Find your headphones in the list, right-click on them, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, or if you have the driver file downloaded, select Browse my computer for drivers and follow the prompts. Another thing you can try is running the built-in Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Search for Troubleshoot in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Troubleshoot settings, scroll down to Other Troubleshooters, find Audio and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions and let Windows attempt to detect and fix any sound-related problems. Finally, restart your PC. Restarting clears temporary glitches and ensures that any settings or drivers changes are properly applied. Once your computer reboots, test your headphones again to see if the sound is now working. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.